Have you ever wondered what the future of data storage might look like? In the digital era, data storage has become a cornerstone of our lives. Yet with increasing demands, our current storage technologies are reaching their limits. What happens when we run out of space? What happens when our data, our digital memories, exceed the capacity of our silicon-based solutions? Fear not, for the horizon of data storage is about to be expanded. Today we'll explore a revolutionary technology that could change the game entirely: 5D optical storage. Imagine being able to store 360,000 gigabytes of data on a disk the size of a quarter. That's the promise of 5D optical storage. Welcome to the future of data storage, where we don't just think in 3 dimensions, but 5. What exactly is 5D optical storage, you ask? Well, let's break it down. The 5DE refers to the 5 dimensions of the data, 2 from the size and orientation of the data, and 3 from the layer position. The optical part refers to how the data is read, by using light. Think of this technology as a mini library that uses light to read books stacked on top of each other. But instead of books, it's layers of data, and instead of a library, it's a tiny disk. This technology could potentially hold data for billions of years, making it the ultimate solution for long-term data storage. Now that we understand the concept of 5D optical storage, let's delve into its key characteristics. One of the most impressive features of 5D optical storage is its enormous capacity. Imagine being able to store 360 terabytes of data in a disk no larger than a standard DVD. That's equivalent to millions of books or thousands of HD movies. But it's not just about capacity. The longevity of this storage medium is astounding. Theoretically, it can preserve data for over 13 billion years, which is almost as old as the universe itself. This means that it could outlast many of the data storage mediums we use today. And if that wasn't enough, it's also incredibly resistant to heat, able to withstand temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. This means that even in the most extreme conditions, your data could remain safe and intact. However, like any emerging technology, it's not without its challenges. The technology required to read and write data in 5D optical storage is complex and expensive. There's also a learning curve with any new technology, and 5D optical storage is no exception. But the potential applications are exciting. Think about the possibilities for data archiving, historical preservation, or even interstellar communication. The sky's the limit, literally. 5D optical storage is not just a futuristic concept, it's a game changer that could revolutionize how we store and preserve data forever. You might be wondering, why is it called the Superman memory crystal? The nickname comes from the Superman movies, where the hero's father, Jor-El, stores vast amounts of Kryptonian knowledge and history on a small crystal. This crystal not only held an enormous amount of data, but could also project holographic images and interact with the user. Just like in the movies, 5D optical storage can hold an enormous amount of data in a tiny space. This technology brings us one step closer to the kind of advanced tech we see in science fiction. So, while we may not be on Krypton, we're certainly making strides in data storage technology. In a way, we're all becoming a bit like Superman, with the ability to store, retrieve, and use vast amounts of information at our fingertips.